Game is not ever. Game will be.
I know. Your game is not over. Can you publish your gameplay?